Welcome aboard the new 2024 Beneteau Gran Turismo 32, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. With an overall length of just over 32 feet, the Beneteau GT32 is a modern design optimized to make best use of every inch of space and offers a variety of uses in all seasons. Performance, natural light, and ventilation were a priority in the Beneteau GT32 design. The twin Mercury 300 V8s pair perfectly with the hull, offering a smooth, dry, and efficient ride with plenty of power. The well-arranged variety of spaces on the upper deck provides easy maneuverability between them and include all the features of a cleverly designed boat. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the GT32 allows for the best use of space. The backrest of the port-side seat and the aft bench seat lean back to create a large sunbathing area. A conveniently placed in the action galley offers a sink, grill, and an easy-to-access refrigerator and ample space. The power top controls are located just above the helm seat. The large power sliding top slides back to open up the space, providing light and ventilation at the touch of a button. With a panoramic windshield, the helm seat offers a commanding view forward and provides optimal vision underway. Two bolstered seats behind the console provide comfort and support. An example of the many innovative features on the GT32 is the wireless cell phone charger. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a large Garmin chart plotter, electronic engine instrument display, and the Mercury joystick piloting controls. A double bench seat to port, along with the two seats behind the helm, allows for 4 people to share the pleasures of facing the sea while underway. On the bow, you are greeted with a sunbed for 3 people that is safely and easily accessible by the semi-walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The anchor locker offers easy access to the windlass and the handy windlass remote. Heading below, there is an open space that provides easy access to the cabin's head and more storage space, plus an additional refrigerator. The GT32 has 2 double berths and a separate shower with an independent head compartment, making nights on board comfortable and relaxing. Bathed in soft light from the long hull windows, the main central cabin has easy access to the settees on both sides and a large table. The table lowers, turning the space into a large bed. The mid-cabin is a bright and comfortable space that can easily accommodate 2 people. There is a large and very functional head a beautiful and elegant sink, electric toilet, and large walk-in shower. Below the aft deck space is a mechanical room that contains the generator, batteries, and battery management equipment along with storage space. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Gran Turismo 32 is designed to help you do it all. To book your appointment to view the Beneteau Gran Turismo 32, contact Little Yacht Sales.